Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to use may and might in the sentence. So let's get start. So sometimes basically we have no idea how to use may and might in the sentence. So today we are going to learn how to add may and might in the sentence of English language. So first look, both may and might can be used in requests. Both may and might both are used in request form of the sentence and in expressions of possibilities. Sometimes expressions of possibility for the present and future also. For example, might I ask you your name? May I ask you your name? Both are same, both are similarities are there, a lot of similarities are there, but both may might look like a same in the sentence, working in the sentence very casually. So let's start with the first may. How to use may in the sentence means may is used to ask permission in a more formal way than use. More formal use. Look here. For example, may I have a drink, please? May I have a drink, please? Or another one is the same as like, may I use your pen, please? Some types of request. First we have to identify in the formation of request, then only we are going to use our may word, model word. Okay, may and might both are very impressive verbs, model verbs in our English language. And now come to the another one, that is might. Might is occasionally used in formal situations. Formal situations means what? For example, might I suggest a different solution? Might I suggest a different solution? Like that kind of way only we just express our might. Another one is in our next modal verb, may is used sometimes. May is used to give permission, particularly when applied to you, he, she, they. What are those? Those are you, he, she. You, he, she, or they, or proper noun or other kinds of proper nouns to show that the speaker is following, the speaker is allowing something to happen. In may only, may modal verb, we have to use you, he, she, or other proper nouns are that shows that the speaker is allowing to something to be happen. For example, you may go now. For example is you may go now. You can see easily you may go now. And another one is example is user may donated forms from this week. You may go now, and user may donated forms from this week. Sometimes we just confused in our mind. What kind of confusions? May is being formal, might is being formal or not, like that kind of questions are in our mind always. So might is occasionally used in formal situations only. And both may and might are used to express the possibility of future action. Possibilities of future action. Might is more tentative than may. Might is more tentative than may. Both are using sometimes a possibility only, not accuracy, not exactly. Sometimes a possibility of future actions. May I come in? May I go to the trip? May I have your book? Like that kind of way in the future contents only. May is often used for politeness. May is often used to a for politeness to make an order appear as a request. Order appear as a request, but might is used to make the speaker more remote from the request. These are the only difference between may and might. You might give that idea a bit more consideration, and you might want to more a bit closer of the screen. Sometimes of these kinds of examples are a little bit hard to understand our might and may. I hope you understand clearly. It's time to take a leave. I hope you understood. Take care. Bye bye.